In this video, I'm going to show you how to show hidden apps on iPhone. So you can hide apps and hide them in a specific area. So let's go ahead and hide an app, and then I'll go and show you where they are and then how you can unhide them. So let's go ahead, and I'm just going to pick a random app here. Let's go with this one here. You just want to click and hold on the app itself, and we're going to hit where it says require Face ID. And we're going to select hide and require Face ID. So as you see, it's just going to require Face ID. And then once that goes through, I'm going to choose hide app. So now the app is gone. So to show these hidden apps on your iPhone is really easy to do. We just want to swipe all the way over to the app library. And as you see, all of the apps are categorized and all these things. But you want to scroll all the way down, and you're going to have a hidden section here. So the hidden section is also going to require your Face ID or a passcode. So go ahead and click on it. It will get your passcode or Face ID, and then it's going to show you those hidden apps. So we can go ahead and click and hold and actually unhide those apps as well. So I'm going to unhide the app that I just hid, and we're going to hit don't require Face ID. And then that app is going to disappear from the hidden section, and you'll be able to use that app, but see it on your normal pages of your iPhone, wherever it may be.